This is the logo draft for the Trailblazers sneakers we discussed in the meeting earlier, and that is the marketing copy campaign that would help to market the shoe, Your Comfort Companion, Trailblazers, Your Comfort Companion, and that's the Trailblazers symbol. You have a symbol with the T and the B, with the eye of the person with their head tilted forward, that blends in and forms the letter T, merging with the letter B, having wings, sort of, or a blaze or trail going through the B and expressed in the lettering of the B. These elements and images are to depict the symbol of the initials T and B, standing for Trailblazers.